As I stand here with you today, I can certainly see my future with you. Nung time na yon, mayroon kaming common friend na inintroduce siya sa akin at inintroduce din ako sa kanya. And sinet up kami to meet.
In-expect ko, 1 hour lang ang conversation namin. So, nangyari doon, magaan ang pakikipag-usap ko, nagustuhan ko yung conversation namin, how we deal with each other. Nangyari, inabot ako madaling araw.
Actually, less than 1 year pa lang kami and it's going to be our monthsary tomorrow then, after the wedding. Well, tulad ng like ko sa kanya sinasabi every day, I'm always here for to support him, sa lahat ng desisyon niya sa buhay, lahat ng pangarap at goal niya, nakasama ako. I will always support him.
Sabi ko, eto na yata yung binigay sa akin ng sagutan. Sa tagal kong naging single, yun. Ayun, nagkatuluyan na. Salamat sa Diyos at salamat sa kaibigan ko nagkilala sa akin.
I can say that God is so good all the time, for you are truly my answered prayer.
Look in your eyes, I can see a life together. Standing by you.
And as I stand here with you today, I have no doubt at all, after 8 years of being lonely, I finally found you.
I was alone, insecure, and hopeless because I'm not beautiful and young anymore. Your gentle love put the 1,000 pieces of my heart together.
Never looked so beautiful. You're everything I've waited for, so much more. Standing right in front of me, and we go weather every high and low. If love is going where we go to have it all forever, let's start our life together.
You make me feel secured by reminding me every day of your promise that no one will ever take my place in your heart. You make sure that I feel your presence every day. The moment you opened your eyes in the morning, you never miss to say, I love you.
In an endless sky, being lit by the fire of our love. Yeah. After all is come and gone.
Thanks for coming into my life. You certainly complete the missing part of it. Thank God for hearing my prayers. Thank you so much, and I love you.
And you never looked so beautiful. You're everything I've waited for, so much more. Standing right in front of me, and we go where.
As I visited you, I was expecting only an hour of conversation, but inabot ako na madaling araw kasi magaan ang loob ko na ipag-usap sa'yo.
You are giving me so much reasons to live each day with high hope. Paulit-ulit kitang pipiliin sa lahat ng oras. Tandaan mo parate na magbago man ang lahat sa atin. Hindi ako susuko. Hindi ako bibitaw. Hindi ako lalayo. Hindi ako mapapagod na alagaan at mahalin ka araw-araw. Kulang ang magpakailanman para mulit-muli kitang mahalin. Dahil ikaw lang ay sapat na para makasama ko habang buhay.
Every high and low, love is going where we go to have it hope forever. Let's start our life together. Let's start our life together.
I am so lucky and proud to finally and officially be your Mrs. Ceruno from this day on. I love you so much, Hanko, and will love you as long as I live with all my heart, to the moon and back, to infinity and beyond.
Let's start our life together.